Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. For today's recipe ay magluluto po tayo ng ginisang ampalaya. Napakasarap po nito at very healthy and very affordable. So, let's get into it. I'm gonna turn the heat on onto medium-high heat and then maglalagay lang po tayo ng oil. There you go, that's perfect. And then, lulutuin ko po muna ang aking egg. Kasi gusto ko po siya malaking buo-buo. Napakabilis lang maluto ng itlog. Within 2 minutes, luto na po ang ating egg. So, there you go. Hahanguin lang po natin siya dito, guys. And then, isisit aside po natin. Ayan, ganyan lang po ang aking ginagawa sa aking pagluluto ng aking ampalaya with egg. And then, maglalagay po ulit tayo ng oil. And then, isusutay na po natin ang ating onion. Lulutuin lang po natin ng mga maybe 10 seconds. And then after 10 seconds, isusutay na po natin ang ating garlic. And then lulutuin lang po natin ng another 10 seconds. And then after 10 seconds, isusutay naman po natin ang ating tomato. Ayan, madami ang ating tomato guys kasi ang dami ko pong tomato sa backyard. Now ay lulutuin lang po natin ito ng mga 3 minuto. After 3 minutes ay malambot na po ang ating kamatis guys. Haluin lang po natin ng bahagya. Ang bango sobra. Napakabango niya. So, at this point ay ilalagay na po natin ang ating chicken. Ayan, isang piraso lang po ito ng chicken breast. And then, haluin po ulit natin. Let's mix it really good. Halo-halo lang po sa pagluluto. Ayan, so that's perfect guys. And then at this point ay tatakpan po natin and then lulutuin lang po natin ng mga 5 minutes. Alright, so let's get back into it after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, here it is guys. Oh my gosh, ang bango niya. The chicken is no longer pink. So it means luto na po siya. Haluin lang po natin ng bahagya. And then ilalagay na po natin ang ating ampalaya. 3 piraso lang tong ampalaya ko guys. And then, isison na po natin ng ground black pepper, chicken bouillon, and then salt. Yan lang po ang ating seasonings na gagamitin dito. And then, haluin lang po natin ng dahan-dahan kasi puno ang ating kawali. Alright, so haluin lang po natin ng mabuti guys. Oh my gosh, ang bango niya. Super. I know not everyone love these vegetables, but this is one of my favorite vegetables. Alright, nahalo na po natin ng mabuti. Tatakpan ko po siya and then lulutuin ko po ng mga 5 minutes kasi ayaw ko po ng overcook. After 5 minutes, here it is guys. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. At this point ay ilalagay na po natin ang ating nilutong itlog. There you go. And then, haluin po natin. Haluin po natin ng mabuti. Ayan, ang bango guys. So, this is done. Luto na po ito. Haluin pa po natin. And then, at this point, ay titikman po natin. Para if ever need natin magdagdag ng seasonings, madadagdagan po natin. Alright, it tastes perfect guys. I'm not gonna add any more seasonings. So this is done. I'm just gonna mix it for a little bit. And then I'm gonna turn the heat off and plating time. Ready to serve. Guys, if you are watching this far, please consider us to like and subscribe and click that bell button so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. And also leave a comment down below so I know that you're there watching. Thank you so much and I really appreciate you guys. Here it is guys. Ito na po ang ating finished product ng ating ginisang ampalaya with chicken and egg. So look how delicious it is guys. Looks so yummy. At this point ay titikman na po natin ang ating ginisang ampalaya. Ayan, so there you go. Cheers! Wow, ang sarap niya guys. And then yung ampalaya po natin is hindi po siya mapait. May kunting pait pero kunti lang po. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell button so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. Thank you so much and bye for now.